Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in, just imagine breathing in a resourceful feeling of calm and relaxation. And as you exhale, feel a wonderful sense of release. With your eyes closed, allowing tension all around your eyes to leave your body in that outward breath. And just for a moment, focus your eyes on a point in your forehead with your eyes closed. Focus on that point, feeling the tension in your eyes, the heaviness in your eyelids, all the tension. And as you breathe in a feeling of resourcefulness. And as you exhale, shift your focus downwards, feeling that relaxation spread from your forehead all the way down into your jaw. That's it. Relax those muscles in the forehead. Allow your eyes to relax. And notice the increase in tension temporarily allows you to feel even more relaxation in contrast. The deeper you breathe, the more relaxed you become. And the more relaxed you become, the deeper and more effortless it is to breathe. Because even though you're breathing deeper, allow your body to do the breathing for you. No need to force it. Almost like your heart and your lungs are doing the work for you. Breathing in deeper and exhaling for longer. Allow the breathing to slow, enabling you to feel more relaxed than you have for a long time. As you relax, you allow your body to settle, your mind to quiet, and your breath to flow naturally, easily. And I wonder if you could imagine standing on a beautiful beach. The sun is warm, the waves gently lap against the shore, and a gentle breeze carries with it a sense of calm and possibility. But ahead of you, just imagine, up on a hill, is a magnificent castle with tall towers reaching into the sky, and surrounding it is a strong, protective wall. And maybe this castle represents all the inner resources you have, the confidence, self-esteem, self-acceptance that already exist within you, just waiting to be accessed. Imagine the castle being close enough to see every detail, but there's something blocking the way. The drawbridge is raised, and the portcullis is down, and you realize that the way to access the treasures inside is to give yourself permission to lower the drawbridge. So imagine being now just on the other side of the moat, and take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine the drawbridge beginning to lower, creaking slowly but steadily downward, connecting the castle to the land beyond the moat. And as the drawbridge lowers, with each moment, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation, deeper into a sense of connection with the real you. As the drawbridge touches the ground, imagine walking toward the castle. With every step you take, you feel yourself becoming calmer, more focused, and more open to wonderful possibilities. I want you to imagine, in a few seconds' time, the portcullis will begin to rise, slowly and steadily, but in direct proportion to the portcullis rising, you will feel yourself going deeper and deeper into a place we can call hypnosis. So stare at the portcullis. Maybe see the material. Imagine its weight, and maybe hear the sound of a winch or a mechanism rising it. As I count down from 10 to 1, you will imagine the portcullis rising as you fall deeper and deeper into hypnosis. 10, hearing the crank of that portcullis rising as you find yourself going deeper and calmer. 9, just feeling the weight of the world melting away. 8, maybe you're already walking across the drawbridge now, stepping closer to the castle. And 7, deeper still, relaxed and open. 6, letting go of all tension. And 5, halfway there, as you feel yourself becoming so deeply relaxed. The portcullis continues to rise as 4, you feel calm and serene. And you don't pass the threshold until the portcullis is all the way up at the top. 3, just outside the castle walls. 2, feeling ready to access the castle and all those inner treasures within. And 1, see the portcullis fully at the top, while you feel deeply relaxed. And then imagine walking into the castle walls, seeing the castle from within. There you are in the courtyard, starting to fully connect to your inner world. And now that you're inside the castle, imagine it filled with limitless resources. In the kingdoms, the resources were kept inside the castle. That's where the values were kept. So imagine your valuable resources are here within the castle. And every room contains something valuable: courage, self-acceptance, confidence, creativity. This castle is a part of you. It always has been. And in one particular room, just imagine there is some kind of glowing gas, a bright, vibrant color that represents limitless confidence. And take a moment to breathe in that hypnotic energy. With every breath, you feel yourself becoming more aligned with these limitless resources. Feel connected to all of the resources in every room. And for the next 7 days, imagine this hypnotic energy is giving you all of these resources whenever you need them most. The ability to live as if you have all the confidence in the world, where you are free to pursue your passions, speak your mind, and embrace life without hesitation. What if the superpower isn't waiting for this, but taking it? Consider this a thought experiment. For 7 days, you will live as if you cannot fail. You will imagine yourself pursuing, even achieving your goals, being decisive, proactive, embracing your authentic self, wearing all of your idiosyncrasies as a badge of honor. And during this time, you will create a strategy, a plan to access this feeling long after the 7 days are over. Maybe you will build up irrefutable evidence that you don't need Dumbo's feather after all. And here's something you'll realize. Confidence is not the starting point. Confidence is the prize. Each step you take toward your goals builds the very confidence you seek. The actions create and sustain the feeling. So imagine leaving the castle, going over the drawbridge, but holding on to all of those wonderful resources: sky-high self-esteem, limitless confidence, courage, decisiveness. Feel it within you. And as you imagine walking back to the beach and you stroll along the shoreline, feel that spring in your step, the ease, just how easy it is to smile and feel good in your own body. But then you notice pieces of rubbish scattered randomly across the beach. And these items were left by others. As you imagine picking up the rubbish, imagine that each item of rubbish represents the disempowering beliefs of your past, intrusive thoughts, emotional baggage. This isn't yours to hold on to. This is yours to throw away. Anything that no longer serves you can be discarded. So imagine picking up that first piece of rubbish. And as you do, feel a sense of relief. You realize that this is not yours. It never was. And by picking it up and clearing it away, you're letting go of something that no longer serves you. With every piece you clear, the beach becomes brighter, cleaner, and more beautiful. What if the beach is your life or your future? And with each item you remove, you feel lighter, freer, and more empowered. You realize that this is your beach, your life, and you have the power to make it a place of beauty and pride. So imagine yourself standing there on the beach, looking up at the castle. The drawbridge is down, the portcullis is open, and the treasures inside are yours to access whenever you choose. Even after 7 days, you could always just return back to the castle and top up whatever resources you need. But for now, just imagine daydreaming on the beach of a future self. See yourself standing tall, exuding self-acceptance. Imagine yourself radiating confidence. See yourself in a moment of triumph or doing something that only a confident version of you would be able to do. Do not perceive this to be a possibility. See it as a destiny. This is your future. That version of you pursuing your passions, embracing your life, and feeling unstoppable. This is not wishful thinking or a distant dream. It's a natural evolution of the steps you take that begin today. So imagine for the next 7 days, act as if you have this limitless resources. And as you do, you will create energy, momentum, and strategies to carry this feeling forward. You will notice that each step you take and each piece of rubbish you clear brings you closer to this future. Just as you left the castle to the beach, holding on to all of these feelings, you will now return to the present, the here and now, with all of these resources and feelings. Notice where in the body you feel them, where that confidence lies, that self-acceptance is. Notice that inner dialogue is encouraging, supportive, and limitless. But it's time to bring all of that back to the here and now. So take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Just wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes, connect in the here and now as I now count from 1 to 10 to awaken you. Starting to count. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more alert. 7, 8, open your eyes, open your eyes. 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake.